Bow down our heads before Thee, filled with gratitude as we celebrate the 75th birthday of Thy beloved daughter, Sister Alicia Mugapi. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for this wonderful woman who have become a beacon of light, especially to the members of the family, the members of the church and the society as well. We are so grateful for her life of service, of sacrifice and commitment, especially to her family. And we are so grateful, dear Father, for this wonderful opportunity to us to celebrate together with her. And we pray that may Thou continually shower her with Thy choicest blessings, that she would be able to feel Thy love, the joy, and the peace that Thou bestow upon Thy beloved children. May Thou continually bless her, that her legacy would continue to influence generations, and that choices